been through a blender and you're feeling lost and confused? You're probably wondering how to get your ex back and if it's even possible. I've been there, and believe me, there's hope. First things first, take a deep breath and try to relax. It's all about understanding the right steps and taking them one at a time. Let's dive in and explore this journey together. Step 1. Give them space. It sounds counterintuitive, but trust me on this. You need to let the dust settle and emotions to calm down. No texts, no calls, no desperate messages. This is crucial for both of you to clear your minds and gain perspective. It might be hard, but resist the urge to reach out immediately. This time apart is essential for both of you to reflect and understand what went wrong. Step 2. Focus on yourself. Use this time to improve yourself. Hit the gym, pick up a new hobby, or dive into that project you've been putting off. Show them that you're strong and capable of growing. This not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more attractive. When you focus on self-improvement, you become a better version of yourself, which is always appealing. Step 3. Reflect on what went wrong. Be honest with yourself and identify the issues that led to the breakup. Understanding these problems is key to not repeating the same mistakes in the future. Take some time to think deeply about your relationship and what could have been done differently. Step 4. Reconnect slowly. When the time feels right and enough space has been given, reach out casually. A simple, "Hey, how have you been?" can work wonders. Keep it light and friendly. Don't dive into heavy conversations right away. Ease back into communication. Step 5. Meet up in a neutral place. If the conversation flows well, suggest meeting up in a casual, non-threatening environment. Coffee shops are perfect for this. Remember, this isn't a date, it's a catch-up. Keep it relaxed and pressure-free. The goal is to reconnect and rebuild trust. Step 6. Apologize and communicate. If there were things you did wrong, apologize sincerely. Show that you've reflected and are willing to change. Communication is key to rebuilding trust. Have an open and honest conversation about what went wrong and how you can both move forward. Step 7. Take it slow. Don't rush back into things. Allow the relationship to rebuild naturally. Take your time and enjoy each other's company without pressure. Remember, getting back together is a process. It won't happen overnight, but with patience, understanding, and genuine effort, it's possible. Focus on being the best version of yourself, and the rest will follow. You've got this. Keep your head up and take it one step at a time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more tips and advice coming your way. Stay strong and take care. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. So keep your spirits high and stay positive. You have the strength to get through this and come out even stronger. Take care and see you in the next video. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a better future. Stay strong and keep moving forward. You've got this. Keep your head up and take it one step at a time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more tips and advice coming your way. Stay strong and take care. I've got more tips and advice coming your way. Stay strong and take care. Stay strong and take care.